Debari woke up and shouted, yay! It's my train and playground day. Uncle made me a shiny train. It zoomed so fast like a flying plane. Hey friends, look, my train goes fast. I smiled so big, having a blast. I didn't hear what my friends did say. I only watched my train all day.